Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is my freaking third attempt to do this. Anyways, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect an Xbox controller to a tablet or phone. So let's get right into it. So basically, what you first need is a Type C. You type USB Type C, right? Both ends. I said that weirdly, but basically, you need a Type C on both ends. So you connect one of the ends, doesn't matter which one, onto the Xbox controller. This is completely off, as you can see. There's also no batteries right here. Let me get the battery tray out. It's completely empty. There's no batteries. So I'm going to do this wired connection. This also works with the wireless connection, but this tablet doesn't support the wireless connection for some reason. I'm guessing maybe the way they built it, the codec. Anyways, it's already connected, as you can see. Let me zoom in right there. As you can see, it's already connected. And I can move my selected cursor on the tablet. So we're gonna play Minecraft. I loaded up manually. You can also press the A button on it. Anyways, let's load it up here. And right now I loaded up my world, and I'm gonna show you in a sec how exactly I play with this controller. It's very simple, like you're playing on an Xbox. I'm gonna press pause for a moment as it loads the terrain. Okay, we're here, and let me just concentrate on this so it looks a little bit better. And I'm using the controller right here. As you can see, I'm moving the controller right, left, jump. As you can see, it might auto jump because I'm using the mobile version of this, and it works properly. Oh crap! Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, guys. I put this game on the hardest difficulty. That's why I died. Anyways, I'm gonna put save and quit. Doesn't matter. I'm about to back out. I press the B button. I quit Minecraft. Now we're at the drawers, right? For the tablet, I'm gonna press the Xbox home logo, and it takes you directly to the home. Now you can't control everything on this because again, it's a controller. It's not made for controlling everything on a mobile device or a tablet, but it works perfectly on mobile games as like Roblox. I haven't tried it on Roblox, but I'm guessing it works. It works perfectly on Minecraft, and yeah, it just works like you would normally use it as an Xbox console. However, like I said, different systems, as in the mobile system or the tablet, support different features. So this tablet doesn't support the Bluetooth connectivity for the controller. It does support Bluetooth connectivity to speakers, but not the controller. I don't know why. And my phone, which is the one recording right now, does support the Bluetooth connectivity. I'm using a Google Pixel, and I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, or I think it's Tab 9 Plus, whatever. But this one doesn't support Bluetooth. Anyways, that's about it in the video. Those are the two methods, wired and Bluetooth with batteries. I also don't know, like I said, if it connects to the iOS devices. It does support the Android devices, and I don't know if it supports all the operating systems. Same goes for like the Apple devices. I don't know if it does support all the operating systems. Anyways, that's it for the videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.